Hey everyone, how's everybody doing today? I hope you are doing great. Because old boy SEMO-MAC here, he's actually done fair to middling. You know, kind of but hey, I got something for y'all. And before I tie into this, all I want to say is thank y'all very much. I appreciate all of y'all. And hey, if you find what I do, you like it, you find it in, you know, that you're actually getting good information out of some of this stuff, some of these products that you might actually think about buying. Hey, if you don't mind, give me a like, give me a share, give me a follow, subscribe. You know, that'd be great. Comments, I love them. Still thinking about what we're calling those screaming eagle back here. Still got to get a name for him. So, hey, here we go with this review. So, this company has sent me out this right here. And the company is Only. And I will throw the spelling right up there like I normally do, so y'all can see how this thing's spelled and know that I'm actually got this one right. Only is the name of the company. And what this is an emergency radio. So, you know, we all have these problems. We all live in places where we got storms. It's either you got storms, you got hurricanes, you got tsunamis, you got all kinds of stuff. Inclement weather. You know, some of us live in areas where we get about 13 feet of snow. Well, and then your electric gets knocked out. So, yeah, you know, something like this is going to come in handy for you. So, what you get in the box, you get your owner's manual right here. And this actually does have some quite a bit of good information because I've already read it. You also get a USB to USB. This is going to be an input and output device, okay? That's what you're going to be able to use this for. You're going to be able to use to charge this and to charge other devices. And since I said that, that is correct. This joker is a small little power station as well as an emergency radio. So that's a plus. So let's get this box out of the way and let's jump in to this device. Ain't it cute? And yes, it is tiny. This right here is a, like I said, emergency radio, but it has so many more features. This is a multifunctional weather radio, okay? Or emergency radio, however you want to call it. So let's break this down. Yes, you do have a radio right here, and it does work. I do have this somewhat charged. It actually came charged. So we're going to throw this little radio on so y'all can actually hear it. And let me see if I can adjust you here, because I want you to be able to see this as we're working on it. So there we go. That's a little bit better. Well, here's this little puppy is. We're going to turn this on. Let's see if I can find, here's your tuning on the side right here. So let me see if I can find some. I'm in the shop, so I might not get to. Well, here in the shop, it ain't that great. But hey, that's why we test them. So, but anyway, I did test this in my house and it is working fine. It's just, I don't get good radio reception out here in the shop. So, but that's beside the point. I will tell you, it does work. I listened to it in my house. It was great. You also have, get this static turned down. Also, you have AM, FM, and you also have a weather radio. So the weather radio also worked inside. See if I can get this to. Oh.
Ordell weather radio listening area. Extreme heat warning in effect from 11 a.m.
There you go. There's your weather radio.
Daylight time Tuesday.
This has 7 different channels, by the way. So it's, you know, all those are like different hertz is what they are. So you can actually be able to, you know, you should be able to get some type of weather reception, you know, as far as for the radio from some radio station in your local area. So you got that on here. Another thing you got, and this is, I'm just going to tell you right now, it's going to blind the crap out of you because it did me. It's got a flashlight, and it is extremely, as you can see right here. Oh yeah, that is, it's, I mean, I'm lighting. Yeah, I know I'm stupid. I can't help it. And it's got two different, so there's one, there's two, and then it's off. So you got two different flashlight far strengths. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I thought I had the looms. So actually it's like a 5 watt. So you can actually do some, you know, different as far as, you know, how bright this is, but it is one LED light. Takes up to 5 watts, so it's not all that bad. You also have on this thing, and I've done this, and this is going to be loud, and I fully apologize, but I got to do it. There is an SOS on here. As you can see, the SOS button right there. And yeah, this is, I'm going to apologize ahead of time. So here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're lost and you have this, if nobody hears that, there ain't nobody around you, because that joker is loud. And I do like the little red LED that flashes on and off there. That's actually a pretty good little touch to it, especially at night. You're definitely going to be able to see that. You know, you've like I said, you got your tuning for your radio station and all that right here on the side. You also on here, the little speaker that's on here that gives you that nice loud tone, that is a 57 millimeter speaker. So to be as small as it is, it's actually got some decent sound to it. It is, like I said, nice little carry. It is light. I'll get to those in a minute. But another cool thing on here is, yeah, you're seeing that right. That's a solar panel. So you got 3 different ways you can actually charge this thing, all right? You can do it by solar panel. You also, if I can find it, it's underneath the solar panel. So underneath the solar panel, you can also run this off of 3 AAA batteries. So you got solar power, AAA batteries. Actually, there's 4 ways you can run this. I just now thought of it. You can also, as you see your outputs and inputs right there, you can also charge this with the USB. That right there is 3 different ways. And the one that I think is the coolest, where you don't need no electricity at all, you make your own. You can spin this bad boy. So that charges it that way. So this is a nifty little joker to have. That's just all there is to it. And another thing that it's got on that I forgot, that is a light. And that is a bright light. And it dims and it's out. So you have 2 different lights on this thing. This is what they call the reading light. So like if you're in a tent or something like that, you need some lumens in there, you're good to go. Yeah, guys, this is just, like I said, and on your, where you can charge this, you do have a USB-C for your input. You have a USB-C for output. You also have a output with an just a regular USB-A. And then you also have a little headphone set, little jack right there in the corner. So you can use that if you have a set of headphones and you want to manually plug them in to listen to this, to the radio. So, you know, it's really cool. And how do you know you're sitting there going SEMO-MAC? You can charge this thing so many ways. You have so many outputs so many ways. How do you know which one you're using? Well, right there. See that little switch right there in the middle of those 2 knobs? that right there is where it tells you you're running off of the lithium ion battery. So that means literally everything you're doing, you're cranking, you're doing all of that, that runs off of this lithium battery. Or if you want to run off the AAA batteries, you pop it down on the bottom. Now you're running off of those batteries. So this thing, when they say multifunctional, they are not lying. And not only is this thing a really great device to have, I mean, let's go over the specs of this. I mean, this is, you know, you're looking at roughly, it's 6.81 inches in your length here. Your height is 4.76 inches. Sorry about that. In your height, and then your width, which is your thickness here, is only 2.91 inches. So when I say it's compact, it is compact. Now, you're going to say, SEMO-MAC, what am I supposed to pay for this thing? Well, hey, it's a multifunction. It does everything. Honestly, price is not all that bad. It just depends on what you think about it. But the price on this currently running right now is $49.99. So you're under 50. I'll put it right up here so you can actually see it. But it is $49.99. So honestly, for everything that you get right here, that is not bad. A regular weather radio is going to run you close to 30 bucks. So $20 more and you get everything and more. So that's what I say. I say if you like it, pick one up. I'll drop the link down in my description for you. And yeah, hey, this is the review. Like I said, I hope y'all liked it. I hope you got value out of this. If it's something you like, pick it up. And as always, y'all, I hope y'all are being kind out there. And I hope you have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.